Hi, this is Michael Smolenski, and I'm really excited to talk to you today about some powerful blockchain technology that I have been developing. It is called permissioned blocks, and it is an authorization protocol that is part of the new Lightstreams Network. What is powerful about this technology is that it gives you the ability to attach any file, such as a video or PDF, to a smart contract, and then authorize who has access to that content in a completely decentralized manner. By decentralized, I mean that Lightstreams does not rely on any centralized services to store and control access to your content. Data will flow point to point between your device and only those that have been authorized. Let me explain all this with a simple example. This is Alice, and she has installed the Lightstreams app on her laptop. Alice is a budding movie director and has produced a video that she would like to publish and earn income for her work. Firstly, using the app, she creates a smart contract with the title of the video, a short description, and the price of 20 photons. Photons, by the way, is the currency unit of the Lightstreams network. The smart contract is a small, tamper-proof program that is recorded on every device in the Lightstreams network. All smart contracts have an account number for receiving photons from any other user in the network. Using the Lightstreams app, Alice imports the video onto her device. Once imported, the data gets divided up into small blocks. Each block is labeled with the account number of Alice's smart contract. This identifies that the blocks belong to the owner of that smart contract, which in this case is Alice. The set of blocks are given a unique reference code that can be used for searching for the video, just like an ISBN number can be used for searching for books in a library. All the blocks are stored in the app's secure vault. The secure vault has a security layer that prevents anyone from accessing the blocks who have not been authorized. It does this by following rules defined by the smart contract that is linked to each block. So, in Alice's smart contract, her rules state that customers must purchase the video, or Alice has explicitly granted them permission to view the content. Alice publishes the contract onto the Lightstreams blockchain. This is Bob. Bob has heard about Alice's video and would like to buy a copy. Using the Lightstreams app, Bob sends 20 photons from his device to Alice's smart contract. The smart contract records the public key of Bob's account that he sent it from, and then sends the 20 photons into Alice's account. At this point, Bob has purchased the video, and Alice has earned 20 photons. Alice can exchange the photons at any time into whatever currency she wants, such as her home currency of euros. Bob then clicks the play button on his app. His app sends a message to Alice's computer that contains the reference code of the video and the address of Bob's device to send the data back to. This message is digitally signed so that Alice can be certain beyond doubt that only Bob could have produced the message. Once Alice's laptop receives the message, it validates the signature to authenticate that the message is indeed from Bob. It then checks whether Bob is authorized to access the blocks that he is requesting. It does this by contacting the smart contract for the linked blocks to verify that Bob has purchased the video, which he has, so Alice's device can now begin sending the data to Bob. As each block is sent, they are encrypted using Bob's public key, which was recorded in the smart contract, and then streamed directly to his device. As each block is received, Bob's device decrypts the blocks using his private key that he has kept secret on his device. This all happens within a split second from the time that Bob clicks the play button to the time that he starts happily watching Alice's video. Now, a second person, Charlie, would also like to watch Alice's video. So just like Bob, Charlie sends 20 photons to Alice's smart contract. where his public key is also recorded on the smart contract. Now, when Charlie clicks the play button on his app, the same authorization process occurs, but this time it happens on both Alice's and Bob's devices. Each of their devices check with the smart contract whether Charlie has paid for the video, and if so, they will begin streaming whatever blocks that Charlie's device requests. What is powerful about multiple devices sending the blocks in this manner is that as demand for the video increases, so does the network's capacity to support streaming of blocks to many more users. Alice can now turn off her device at any time, since the content will continue to be streamed from Bob's device, and she will also continue to be paid when new users purchase the video, as the smart contract will execute without her being online. A significant feature of the Lightstreams network is that no one can access permission data that they have not been authorized to do so. This may sound like an obvious feature, but other blockchain networks share all data to any user regardless of whether they have been authorized or not. As has been shown, Lightstreams does not have this weakness. No data can ever be accessed or is ever sent to people that have not been granted permission. This also makes Lightstreams perfect for scenarios where sensitive information needs to be shared only with authorized people. So in another example, Alice could create a smart contract for holding her personal medical record. Whenever she visits a physician, she can grant them access to view and edit only part of this record. This medical record could contain X-ray photos, lab results, or whatever. One final feature to mention is that Lightstreams is super fast. In the Lightstreams blockchain, there is no concept of miners, which means that it can process thousands of transactions per second. So in summary, any file of any size can be attached to a smart contract in the Lightstreams network. Lightstreams has a unique authorization system such that data is shared and stored to only where permission has been granted. And finally, Lightstreams has been designed to scale globally to millions of daily users. I'm happy to say that the Lightstreams test network is up and running today. I invite you to install the app, give it a try, and test it out. I am keen to hear your feedback, so join our Telegram group and tell us what you think. Also, visit the Lightstreams website to sign up for our token sale event that will be occurring shortly. We hope to see you soon on the Lightstreams network. Thanks for watching.